Hey guys, Sean from Trailgrid Pro. Do you own a 2014 to 21 Toyota Tundra and need to remove your factory head unit? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in case you need to gain access to the back of it to install things like a aftermarket amplifier, a CB, or even put in a new head unit. So stick with me. I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to remove everything in the dash and gain access to the back of your radio. All right, so now we're inside the truck. Let's start with the disassembly. So we're gonna need a panel removal tool as well as a 10mm socket or impact gun with an extension. So first thing we wanna do is remove the panel below the heater controls. Just stick your panel removal tool in there and just kind of pry down, just gently to release the clips. So we'll pull that down and out of the way. Next thing we're going to want to do is actually remove and unplug the heater controls. So for that, just kind of pull it out, release the clips, and remove the one plug here. Set that to the side, just be very gentle with it. So from here, we have 4 10mm bolts that we need to remove. There's 2 here, and then 2 on either edge pretty far back. So it's going to be a little bit hard to see them, but you'll be able to see them once you kind of lean down and take a look. So let's go ahead and get those 4 bolts removed. So now that we have all 4 bolts out, we can go ahead and remove the head unit from the dash. So pretty easy, just grab and pull forward, releasing the factory clips from the dash. So now we have finished taking our radio out. If you're installing something that you just need to unplug 1 or 2 plugs, go ahead and get that done. If you're installing an aftermarket head unit, we're actually going to go ahead and unplug everything. We'll go ahead and get the antennas unplugged, the GPS antenna unplugged, and then we can go ahead and start removing all of the other plugs. Now there are a couple plugs on here that we are not going to remove. And that is these 3 here and this one on the bottom. So we just want to go ahead, remove that white plug as well as the gray plug. And that, so we'll have the white, the green, and the gray just left in. They are just jumper cables, so the radio can talk to the computer portion. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're looking for a new head unit or any aftermarket upgrades for your Toyota Tundra, please visit us at trailgridpro.com.